Putin and Xi discussed the idea of transferring and storing Iran's enriched uranium in Russia. The Russian president, Vladimir Putin, so he discussed the conflict with Iran. With the Chinese president, Xi Jinping, during his visit to China, the Russian Ministry of Defense, known as the Kremlin, announced just a few hours earlier. The announcement was made by the spokesperson himself, Dmitry Peskov. He himself announced that the Russian president shared with his Chinese counterpart the idea of transferring and storing Iranian-enriched uranium on Russian territory, specifically said Dmitry Peskov, who is cited by a Russian news agency. Let me remind you that this proposal was the first to be publicly accepted, I said. However, in the latest round of negotiations between Washington and Tehran, do you believe that such a scenario was definitely discussed? Many analysts believe that most likely the Americans agreed, but they haven't announced it publicly yet. Whatever we say, it's not certain. However, we will definitely keep you informed when the details of the negotiations for the Middle East are officially announced. Until then, stay tuned.